Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate QuickSwap for Polygon swaps and liquidity adds. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate QuickSwap for Polygon swaps and liquidity adds, start by navigating to the QuickSwap website. Ensure you are connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for QuickSwap. Once on the site, look for the Connect Wallet option. Click on the Connect Wallet button. Select your wallet type from the list presented, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet. Make sure your wallet is set to the Polygon network. If it's not, open your wallet and switch to the Polygon network. Once connected and on the right network, locate the Swap tab at the top of the page. Click on the Swap tab to access the swap interface. Choose the token you want to swap from the drop-down menu. In the second drop-down menu, select the token you want to receive. Enter the amount of the token you wish to swap. QuickSwap will automatically display the output amount you will receive. Review the details of the swap, including slippage tolerance. If everything looks good, click on the Swap button. A confirmation pop-up will appear in your wallet. Review the transaction details in your wallet. Confirm the transaction to initiate the swap. To add liquidity, navigate back to the QuickSwap homepage. Locate the Liquidity tab and click on it. Select Add Liquidity from the options provided. Choose the token pair you wish to provide liquidity for. Enter the amount of the first token in the pair. The corresponding amount for the second token will be calculated automatically. Review the liquidity pool details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.